Welcome back to GrowFin, your go-to channel for market insights and financial growth tips. Today, we're looking at the top 15 stock gainers in the market right now. These stocks are on fire, and I'll guide you through their performance, what's driving their gains, and why you should keep an eye on them. Ready to boost your investment game? Let's dive right in. First, let's kick things off with a company riding the wave of precious metals, IAMGOLD Corporation IAG. Gold prices are soaring, and so is IAMGOLD, trading at $5.97 with a 16.83% jump. IAMGOLD is capitalizing on the renewed interest in gold, with a 52-week gain of over 150%. This stock is showing no signs of slowing down. If you believe in the future of gold, this could be a golden opportunity. Next up, clean energy meets stock market gains. Oklo Inc. Oklo is making waves in the clean energy sector, with its stock priced at $18.23 and gaining 15.89% recently. With the push for sustainable energy solutions, Oklo's cutting-edge tech is grabbing investor attention. If you're looking for the future of clean energy, Oklo might just be your next hot pick. Third, telecommunications is on the rise. Telephone and Data Systems, Inc. TDS. TDS has jumped 15.4%, with its stock now at $29.15. As telecommunications become more essential, TDS is well-positioned for continued growth. With a 52-week gain of 61%, it's clear this company is dialing up its success. Could this be your next investment? It's certainly calling. But wait, precious metals aren't just about gold. First Majestic Silver Corp. EG. First Majestic Silver has surged by 15.32% to $7.30. As silver prices rise, investors are turning to companies like this. If you think silver still has room to shine, this could be a silver lining in your portfolio. Now, let's talk about the king of cryptocurrency holdings. MicroStrategy Incorporated MST are with Bitcoin climbing. MicroStrategy has gained 11.60%, pushing its stock to $215.86. Known for its massive Bitcoin holdings, MicroStrategy has ridden the crypto wave all the way to a 52-week gain of over 470%. If you're bullish on crypto, this stock could be your ticket to massive returns. Next, a household name with non-stop entertainment growth. Netflix Inc. NFLX. Netflix isn't just streaming hits. Its stock is also hitting highs with a $76.24 gain to $763.89, 11.09% increase. With the company expanding into new markets and pushing out more original content, it's no surprise Netflix is delivering blockbuster results for investors. Now, fitness is making a comeback. Peloton Interactive Inc. PTON. Peloton is back in the game, climbing 10.8% to $5.84. With new products and a renewed focus on fitness, Peloton could be on a recovery path. Are you ready to ride this momentum? Next, another precious metal stock that's climbing higher. Pan American Silver Corp. Pan American Silver has seen a 10.55% gain, bringing its price to $24.41. As silver remains in high demand, this company is positioning itself for continued success. If you're bullish on silver, this is one to watch closely. Let's switch to the food industry. Lamb Weston Holdings, Inc. LW. Lamb Weston is serving up gains, with a 10.17% rise to $78.22. Despite a small dip in the past year, this stock is seeing strong short-term growth, driven by its innovations in the food industry. Hungry for more? Keep an eye on Lamb Weston. Next, surgical innovation leads to stock gains. Intuitive Surgical, Inc. ISRG with a 10.01% gain to $521.15. Intuitive Surgical is proving that the future, their robotic surgery systems are revolutionizing healthcare, making this stock a must-watch for those interested in medical tech. The future of surgery is robotic, and so could be your returns. Now, let's talk about clean energy and crypto mining. CleanSpark Inc. CLSK with a 9.73% increase to $12.86. CleanSpark is benefiting from its focus on energy solutions and Bitcoin mining. As the energy and crypto sectors intersect, this company is poised for even greater growth. Ready to spark up your portfolio? Next, another mining company making gains. Ker Mining Inc. CDE. Ker Mining is up 9.57%, now trading at $7.10. This silver and gold miner is benefiting from strong demand for precious metals. With a 174% 52-week gain, Ker is a shining example of a stock with momentum. More silver action with Hecla Mining. Hecla Mining Company HL. Hecla has climbed 9.7% to $7.31. With silver on the rise, Hecla is another strong pick for those looking to capitalize on the precious metals market. Silver bulls, this one's for you. Next up, telecommunications surging again. Lumen Technologies Inc. Lumen Technologies has gained 9.06%, now at $6.70. This telecommunications infrastructure company is seeing a massive 418% 52-week gain. As demand for broadband soars, Lumen is a name you should definitely keep in mind. Finally, shipping stocks aren't slowing down. Zim Integrated Shipping Services Limited. Zim is up 9.01%, trading at $22.87. As global shipping recovers, Zim is positioned for continued growth. Want to capitalize on the global supply chain recovery? Keep your eyes on Zim. Upbeat music fades in again. And there you have it, the top 15 stock gainers shaking up the market right now. Whether it's precious metals, clean energy, or tech, these stocks are leading the way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest market trends. Let us know in the comments which stocks you're watching. This is GrowFin, helping you grow your financial future, one stock at a time.